Hello beauties! So we now know how to get these beautiful nails, but now it's time to know how to remove them. If you haven't seen my video on how to get this beautiful nails, just go check it out. The link is in my description box below. So let's quickly get started. First up, we need is a bowl of warm water. Just check if it's not too hot. And some dishwashing liquid. So all we need to do is just add some dishwashing liquid to the warm water that you already have in your bowl. Oh, I just heart how my fingers look when these nails are on, but you cannot just keep them all the time. It's not very comfortable though. So yeah, now I'm going to put my hand in the water and I just realized it's too hot. I'm giving you all my mistakes out so that you don't make the same mistakes that I do. Just let it cool down a little bit so that it could be more easier to work with. And here you can see one of the nail already got off very easily and I did not have to make any efforts. But going forward, I'm going to share with you how exactly you need to take your nails off. So as you can see here, I'm trying to take it off from the side of my nails. I'm not pulling it off from the nail bed, because if you do it from a nail bed, it might just take your nail off along with the nail, the stick-on nail. So be very careful and always try it from the sideways. Now I'm going to quickly do all of it. While I'm doing all this, I also have a tip for you that in case you're planning for, taking off your nails, but also want to pamper yourself, all you can do is have a mini manicure. And all you need to do is add some essential oil and some epsom salt so that you also get a very relaxing and soothing feeling along with taking off your nails. Also, I'm trying to just take off all the gunk, the glue that is stuck on my nails. I'm trying it, but as you should know that nothing comes off that easily, and also a lot of it kept on my nails and I had to wait for a few days to let it go off. After that, you can see the shine. That shine is the glue. I also tried to use the nail remover in case that would help taking off this glue from my nails, but to be honest, it did not make a lot of difference. A little bit, of course it went a little bit, but nothing more. And that's it, we are done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.